Good morning, 7th graders. Mr. Cahiga here again. I'm just going to quickly go over the third and last assignment for today and share with you the expectations that Mr. Reynolds and I have about this document. So when you click the link in the assignment attachments, it's going to bring you to your own copy of this document like all of the other assignments today. And as you can see here, there are, if we're going to quickly go over what is in the document, you have a table here, and then you have some scenarios down here that I'll go over with you. So first things first, right? You want to put your name, the date, and the period so you get credit for your work when you submit it back into Schoology. The title is Learning About History, Primary and Secondary Sources. Underneath the title, we have the directions. The directions tell you to read each situation carefully. Write down whether the source is primary or secondary next to each number below. Then you're going to explain how you know each source is primary or secondary. And then we have provided sentence starters for you to help you start explaining how you know whether each source is primary or secondary. So let's break down the directions. The first part of the directions tells you to read each situation carefully. You have 12 situations here. Every situation has a question attached to it. So for example, we're going to do number one together. Number one, the situation says Meredith's grandfather showed her photographs from his childhood growing up on a farm. He told her stories about his farm chores. Then the question attached to the situation asks, are the photographs and stories a primary or secondary source? So after you read each situation, you're going to come back up to the table. We're doing number one together. So you're going to go to number one, and then you're going to type in, is it primary or is it secondary? Number one is a primary source, right? How do we know it's a primary source? We can use one of these sentence starters to help us begin explaining how we know that. I know this is a primary source. Oh, can't type this morning. I know this is a primary source because, and according to the notes, right, a primary source can either can come from a person that directly experienced the event. If you go back down here, it's Meredith's grandfather. He's telling the story about his childhood growing up on a farm. You're not learning the information from a book. You're not learning the information from someone about his experience. You're learning about his experience from him. It happened to him during the event. So that is a primary source. So you can come back up here. I know this is a primary source because the information came from the person who experienced the event. And then when you're done with number one, you would go to number two. Number two reads, Michael's father took him to the library to find books about the first Thanksgiving. Michael will use these books to write a report. And then the question asks, are the books a primary or secondary source? So you got to think to yourself, what is he gathering information about? He's gathering information about the first Thanksgiving. He's reading books about it. So the books, are they written during the first Thanksgiving or after the first Thanksgiving? If the time is now, right? He's probably reading a book about it that was created after the first Thanksgiving, which tells us this is a secondary source. It is coming from someone or something that did not experience the event during when it happened, or is coming from a book that was written after the event, not during when it happened. So again, we're going to explain. I know this is a secondary source because it comes because the information came from a book written after the event. That is how you complete this assignment. So you now have 10 more to do. Again, if you have any questions, you can join me during the office hours today. Those are posted in the Schoology updates under your American Studies course, or you can always email Mr. Reynolds and I.